Uh, Today it's been a very auspicious occasion for Kokrajhar because Durand Cup is coming to your town, and I hope the youngsters who are sitting here are more excited than we are going to organize this. Are you all excited, the youngsters? Yes, came in a very low note. I don't think you all are excited, or you just came here to see. Are you all excited?
Yes!
That should be the spirit of Kokrajhar. Okay, a big round of applause to the host for giving the opportunity to host in Kokrajhar. And I think this will be one of the biggest events in terms of sports that is coming to Kokrajhar. And my best wishes to you all. We had a preliminary in Guwahati as well also in the last week, and then today we are here. I suppose that all the dignitaries seated on the dais as well as seated in front of me are expected more from what the government will be helping in this event. Let me say there will be an event both in Guwahati as well as in Kokrajhar. In Guwahati, there will be an event starting from 4th of August till 25th of August, and in between also we will be having it here. And 5th of August, I think we'll be starting here in Kokrajhar till the quarterfinals. The semi-finals, as I am being told, will be held in Kolkata. Sports has always been, in Assam, it has always been what you call and eager to learn more, and more so in football. We have many players in the past also, football from Assam. But then coming in the town is something more special. I would like to give a few names from my town also, those who have played very well in the national level. There is a boy called as a Bauringdao Bodo who has been playing for the international also under 17 and under 19. We have a few of the state players from my town, and I'm also sure a few of the players from here are also there in the national level. I have just seen the name of our very own. She is from here only. That I think she'll be speaking after some time over here, who has got a platform in the national arena to perform in the sports in the women. Women football has also been more into it. And then we have an MLA Cup which is being played all over in Assam. And I'm very sure that all this football will come up in the near future. Not to forget about how sports has taken up in a very good pace in this, under the leadership of Honorable Prime Minister. In his recent visit to France, Honorable Prime Minister had mentioned of Mbappe, who is a France player, and then he had mentioned that there must be many Indians who are more fans of Mbappe rather than in France, and I'm sure that is very true, because football has been taken in very perfectly in India, in the interior corners of the parts of India. We hail from the very northeastern part, and then in northeast also we know that the build-up of the physical build-up is very well, but only opportunity is that we are yet to get those type of opportunity which we wanted to get it. Mainstream of India has always taken the limelight, I will say always, because it has always been in the limelight. Northeastern has taken it very low, but then I think it is coming up in the fro. That is why we have always the tension in many of the northeastern parts of India. And I see always the armed forces in the northeastern part of India, because we always had tension in one part or the other. But it is very nice to see also that when this Durand Cup is coming up here, it is coming up from the armed forces only, which is coming up in a very positive way. And it is a fact that they are the ones who are bringing up in terms of in a different pattern. So definitely there has to be a very good term, and the youngsters will really see it in a very positive way to the armed forces which had brought the Durand Cup in Assam in a very positive way. Because Assam, as we all know, has been a term and tar in the last decade, the last 20 years or so. We had seen my path was also being here. Now also it is still having in some of the other parts of northeastern India. So coming back to the sports, where this is one occasion where we can bring the youngsters not in the different line but in a very positive way to have their future. I expect that many of the youngsters who are here, someday or the other, you must have an aim in life to play or to represent the state or to represent the nation. I expect that we as a government will always be there to support you, and we are very lucky enough to have Mr. Kalyan Chobe here, who is the All Indian Federation Football President, sitting with us, and this is such a very big occasion to have him with us here, and the youngsters can see. We always dreamt of having it in our age, when we have crossed those age when we were youngsters, we had always dreamt of seeing some international footballers or some international players only in the TV screens. We have never seen anywhere. But now that you will be having a Durand Cup, I think you will be able to see the international team also coming up. The Nepal team is coming up here, and then you will be having a glimpse of what the international players are having it more than what the Indian players are. There are all the Indian top teams are coming here in your town also, I suppose. And then as a host from our state, we expect that the way that it has been brought up in Kokrajhar, I expect that in the interior parts of Assam also, in the coming years, maybe the Durand Cup will flow, or maybe the Durand Cup will be able to move in the interior parts of Assam. My best wishes to all the players, I will say, from this platform. May they come, may they see the Kokrajhar, may they see how the hospitality of Kokrajhar is, may they see how Assam is, and I wish that from the Department of Sports, we will always be there in collaboration of how this Durand Cup Trophy has come. This is the second edition, and we expect that this edition continues for years and years. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Sri